In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of an 11-year-old who defied the odds in preparing for his PEP exams. Here is Kay-Ann Morgan.
While most grade 6 students were preparing to sit their PEP exams, 11-year-old Amari Chamberlain took on an additional challenge.
I did math, add math, English literature, English language, biology and HSB.
Add City and Guild Level 3 Mathematics and Level 3 English to the mix, where he got a distinction and a merit respectively. Among this 11-year-old's CSEC grades,
For math, I got grade 3, and for HSB, I also got grade 3.
Still,
I'm not satisfied. I think I could have done better.
now in first form, Amari is planning to take on the challenge again. His formula to achieving excellent passes:
If you study the past papers and if you work hard and focus on it, it's possible to achieve.
For his teacher,
Diamonds are produced under pressure.
she explained that his journey began 3 years ago when Amari enrolled at the Kemet Messiah Academy in Portmore.
Even when he was in a lower grade, and I think we were still online during COVID, the other teacher would tell me, you know, this little boy, even before we start online class, he's calling me, Miss, did you post the stuff to the group, Google Classroom? He's up early, ready for work, and Amari has always had that drive.
His parents stress the importance of support.
Listen to your children, because there were times along the journey when Amari said, "Mommy, too much," and we pulled back, gave him some space, allowed him to be a child and come again and say, "Okay, Mommy, ready." Yes, that is also important. Yes, you want them to achieve everything because there is no limit where our children is concerned. Yes, but listen to them. Pull back when you need to. He will tell you. He has his uncle for the recreational activities. Yes, when he's too deep and he said, "Mommy, up for air," call uncle. Yes, and uncle is ready to pick him up and go, right? Grandma is overseas. Christmas holidays, yes, he had classes, but he did them online because he wanted to visit grandma overseas. I mean, get your village together.
As long as God help me to stay healthy, I know that Amari, the sky will be the limit for Amari.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kay-Ann Morgan.